Hello and welcome to the tutorial on subtraction. In this tutorial we will learn how to subtract numbers 0 to 5 from numbers 6 to 10. And we're going to do this by way of counting pictures. So let's have a look at our first example. In the first example I'm going to use circles. I'm going to draw out the question first, and then we're going to go through it. Okay, so there we have it. We've got circles on the left, we've got a minus sign, and we've got circles on the right. So we have to subtract these circles from those on the left. And what we're going to do is we're going to cross out one circle on each side of the minus of the subtract sign as we go through this. So let's start on the right. Now just watch, I'm going to cross one out. Here we go. We cross one here, and we're going to cross one here. We're going to cross one more on the right, and therefore we're going to cross one more on the left. We're going to cross the last one on the right, and therefore we're going to cross one on the left. Each time you cross one out on the right, you must cross one out on the left. Which ones you cross out doesn't matter, but you have to cross out the same number on each side. So now we have 0. There are none on the right hand side because we've crossed them out, and we've crossed out the same amount on the left hand side. So how many circles are left? Well, let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 circles left. And that is the answer. We can even give ourselves a nice big tick. Okay, so that's the first one. We're now going to work through our second example. This time we're going to use triangles. Now, as I'm drawing the question out, you can work with triangles, circles, squares, any shapes you want. If you don't want to draw them out, you can work with coins, marbles, Smarties, anything you feel that would help. Okay, almost there. Right. Okay, so that is our question. We've got triangles on the left, we've got a minus sign, so we're taking away, and we've got triangles on the right hand side of the minus sign. So the same principle, we're going to cross out the triangle on each side of the minus line. Now watch how I do this. I'm going to cross out one here, therefore we're going to cross out one on the left. We're going to cross one on the right and one on the left. Okay. Another one on the right, another one on the left. And we keep doing this until there are 0 on this side. Okay, so let's carry on. We're going to cross one more on the right and one more on the left. One more on the right and one more on the left. And what do you notice? We have 0 on the right hand side. So we've done all the crossing. Now we need to count how many triangles are left on the left hand side. So let's count them. We've got 1 here, 2, 3. And that is our answer. Okay, so that is subtraction of numbers 6 to 10 and 0 to 5 using or following the counting pictures method. It's very simple.